Alright, I did something wild this week. I tested 5 viral AI tools that promise to make you real cash while you chill on your couch. Some were total scam skull, but one of them? Bro, it actually made me money while I was sleeping flushed face. Stick around, cause number 3 literally blew my mind. And yeah, you can try it too. What's up, legends? Welcome back to Bright Mind Hub, where we don't just talk about AI, we make it hustle for us. Money with wings. If you're trying to figure out how these tech bros are suddenly making passive income out of thin air, this video is about to spill the secret sauce. First up, ChatGPT. Yeah, I know, everyone's heard of it. But check this out. I asked it to create a digital product idea, design it with Canva AI, and list it on Etsy. Result? $0 faced with tears of joy. Cool idea, but no traffic. ChatGPT's smart, but it still needs the human sauce, you know? Next up, Midjourney AI art. Now this one's fire. I turned random text into crazy high-quality artwork and sold a few posters online. Woke up to $37 sitting in my account. Not bad for a night's sleep, right? Okay, here's where it gets insane. Tool number 3, OpusClip AI. It literally turns your long videos into viral TikToks and shorts automatically. I uploaded one of my old clips, and boom, it hit 12,000 views in one day. Then affiliate link in bio pulled in $62. AI made me money while I was sleeping, bro. Exploding head. Number 4, durable AI. This beast builds entire business websites in 30 seconds flat. I made a fake AI design studio site for fun, and 2 people actually emailed me asking for quote skull. That's how real it looked. And last but not least, ElevenLabs. The voice AI I'm literally using right now. This tool gives straight up Hollywood vibes, man. You can clone your voice, create narrations, or even sell voiceovers online. Imagine making money just by talking to your mic. That's next level. So after testing all 5 tools, here's the truth. AI won't make you rich overnight, but if you learn to combine them smartly, you can build something powerful enough to change your life. This isn't a trend anymore. It's the future knocking on your door. If you want to stay ahead of the game and actually use AI instead of just scrolling through hype, smash that subscribe button right now, Bell. Here on Bright Mind Hub, I don't just talk about AI. I show you how to turn it into your personal money machine money back. Don't wait till everyone's already making bank. Start today. Your future self will thank you for it. See you in the next one. Peace out, high voltage.